Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Noria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to calculate average in Excel. So I'm going to show you two ways to do that. One is by writing our own formula, and the second way is using Excel built-in function. Let's dive in. So I'm going to create a series of numbers here, even numbers. Then instead of writing 10 entries like that, I'll copy these two and make Excel generate that number for me. Now I want to calculate the average of this. One way to do that is I can write a formula here, for example, equal to, clicking on H and writing a simple addition formula, just like we do in the paper calculation. Then I can say A3 plus A4, capitalization doesn't matter at all, A5 A6 A7 A8 A9 A10, then plus enter. So this has given me the total sum. Now this is a total sum. To do the average, we are going to close this one in a bracket, because averaging is adding total numbers and then dividing by the amount. So we have 10 entries here. I'll do by 10. Now this is average. Another way we can do that is using the Excel built-in function average. So I'm going to use average function here. So as you can see here, we have entries, how many entries it takes. So what I will do is select all of this. Then Excel will automatically set the range. Now when I press enter, it has given me the average. So you have learned how you can calculate average of numbers in Excel using your own formula or the Excel built-in function. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.